Stocks I'm watching going into Friday, August 14th. Hi, my name is Matt. I'm an avid day trader and investor. I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Everything is my opinion. Also, keep in mind, I am a scalp day trader. I need very small price movements in order to do what I'm doing. So know that I'll be in and out of a lot of these vehicles I talk about, but I'll show you exactly what I'm focusing on. So let's dive into it. Number one is the memory trade. So SanDisk and Micron had an absolute incredible ripper of a day due to Investor Day and bullish sentiment from a cool PPI inflation report. The bulls have 3 wins under their belt. The jobs report was weak. CPI came in at consensus, and then PPI just came in cool. So the bulls have a lot going for them. However, the volume behind the overall bullish move today was a little bit light. And I'm very curious to see if Micron and SanDisk continue this bullish move up. If there's conviction behind this move, will Micron break 1,000, or is it going to start to dwindle back down on the chart? A very close eye after the retail sales report at 8:30 a.m. tomorrow, see what the volume's looking like, treasury, oil, etc. So I'll be watching that. Also, semiconductor trade. I'll be watching SOXL and SOXS. That's how I trade the semiconductor trade. And AMAT just reported earnings today, and their numbers were fantastic, and they fell after hours. So I'm very curious to see if that filters out and is like a poison pill to the semiconductor trade in combination with low volume Friday, you know what I mean? PMNR, MSTR, coin, BTC can somehow reclaim 64,000. It's bounced around at 63.5. If BTC turned bullish tomorrow, I expect a bump in all of these, and I scalped them a lot. SpaceX had a huge rip the other day, and it dwindled down today on a very bullish day. From it was pushing towards 150, then it went to the low 140. So I'm curious how much conviction is behind that move, if there's opportunities for some scalps up and down. Uber drew down again today, but then had a very bullish close. That's a low volume mover, so I don't trade it super often. However, I kind of am looking at it long with all the involvement of politicians and stuff like that, and the ER report was good. NBIS. It started dwindling down today, absolutely skyrocketed. You guys all know Nibius. If you don't, check out what happened to that stock over the last week. I'm still in that short. Honorable mention, Celsius, up over 4% today. Bulls are making a comeback even after a lackluster earnings report, but I honestly think it's growing pains. We all know Alani's absolutely exploding. We'll be watching CellH, not just because I'm long, but I do trade it here and there because it likes to trade in a range. Like, follow, comment. I super appreciate it, and I'll see you on the next one. Keep it green.